Did you ever imagine a park where the serenade of birds is orchestrated by AI? In the heart of Paris, tech enthusiasts and bird lovers gather at Champ de l'Espoir, a park enhanced by AI technology, producing a captivating symphony of birdsong. Using advanced sound mapping algorithms, this innovation analyzes the local avian population, recreating and amplifying their songs in real time. Visitors report a profoundly immersive and meditative experience, with some even claiming these digital birds conversed back. This high-tech oasis not only revitalizes urban green spaces, but also attracts global visitors yearning for a unique interaction with nature. As AI continues to blur the lines of reality and digital art, Champ de l'Espoir offers a glimpse into our innovative future.